A live look at the U.S. Capitol as the House moments ago passed a sweeping border security and immigration bill. Two Republicans joined all Democrats in voting against the legislation. House Speaker Kevin McCarthy says the bill would increase penalties for individuals overstaying their visas, and it would increase the number of Border Patrol agents. The vote comes just hours before Title 42 is set to expire. The expiration opens the door for thousands of new migrants seeking asylum in the United States. Title 42 was instated as a Trump-era policy, giving U.S. officials authority to turn away migrants on the grounds of preventing the spread of COVID-19. Local 5's Nora J.S. Reichard has been looking into what this change means for Iowans. Nora?
Larissa, Title 42 allowed federal authorities to expel migrants from the country without giving them the chance to apply for asylum. With that coming to an end at midnight tonight, local advocates say we could feel that impact right here in Iowa. According to the American Immigration Council, there are currently more than 1.3 million pending asylum cases. The average case takes over 4 years to get through the immigration court system. Those numbers may grow even larger, with more migrants expected to seek asylum after Title 42 ends.
What we need are more judges. We need more processing officials to be down there to help these people who are seeking refuge.
Enriquez Henry estimated that Title 42's expiration could bring between 300 to 500 new migrants to Iowa in the coming months. And they may not be coming from where you'd expect.
It's not really Mexico. It's the Northern Triangle Central American countries where people are fleeing violence. And these are the people who are trying to get here to the U.S.
Critics of the decision say that allowing Title 42 to expire will lead to chaos at the border, and that the country doesn't have the resources to take on all those additional people.
We're not going to be able to handle everything, and we're going to get just double the number of people crossing the Rio Grande every day.
Still, immigration advocates are celebrating the move, arguing that welcoming some new Iowans will benefit the state in the long run.
We should be doing our part, and they would be very useful here in Iowa. We need more people to come here. You know, we've been a state of only about 3 million people. Having an extra several hundred is not going to hurt us, and we definitely could use the help.
The American Immigration Council says that just over 176,000 immigrants make their home in Iowa. Approximately 21% of them are from Mexico. Larissa?
Nora, thank you. Senator Joni Ernst also spoke out against the removal of Title 42 today and in support of her proposed Build It Act, which would move federal purchase supplies to border states and continue to build the border wall. Ernst saying in spite of what's going on at the border, Republicans do have solutions that Democrats and President Biden have turned a blind eye to and a deaf ear. Ernst also calling for the reinstatement of Trump's Remain in Mexico policy. Governor Reynolds also sharing her statement on the removal of Title 42, saying in part, allowing it to end with another solution in place is not humane. It is dereliction of duty. She continued to say the removal is, quote, national security disaster.